Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison of the Insta360 Go 3 against the Hero 11 Black. This is a video that I've been asked to make by several people. Now this isn't going to be a full comparison. I'm going to maybe perhaps save that for a separate video, a buyer's guide if you will, to help those maybe decide which one is right for them. In this video, we're just going to be comparing the audio quality, video quality, and stabilization quality. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. Talk is cheap. I'm just going to let you watch the results and decide for yourself how the Go 3 stacks up against the Hero 11 Black. Now, just a couple things. I'm going to keep everything in auto on both cameras. I'm going to be recording in 5K on the Hero 11 Black and 2.7K on the Go 3. There's going to be no grading or color correcting on either camera, so it's just raw right off the cameras. When I upload this video to YouTube, I'm going to render it out at 4K. So the Go 3 footage will be upscaled to 4K. So with all that said, let's just get right into the comparisons. So right now I'm going to do an audio comparison. I'm just going to record a clip and then play it back twice, once from the Insta360 Go 3 and then the next time from the Hero 11 Black. So again, this is an audio test. There's been no manipulation of the audio. This is just directly from the camera. So right now I'm going to do an audio comparison. I'm just going to record a clip and then play it back twice, once from the Insta360 Go 3 and then the next time from the Hero 11 Black. So again, this is an audio test. There's been no manipulation of the audio. This is just directly from the camera. So there you have it, folks, a variety of stabilization, video, and audio tests of the Hero 11 Black versus the Insta360 Go 3. Again, like I said, I'll let you be the judge what you think looks best. Comment down below. I'm curious to get your opinion as well. I've already formed my opinion, but I would like to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it had value, and we'll see you in the next one.